Hey beauties, and welcome back to IAmBeautifulHustler TV. Today I'm going to be showing how I did this quick and simple fake scalp wig, lace wig install. And today's hair is provided by AfsisterWig. Now this is a loose curly 5x5 closure wig, and it already does come with the knots pre-bleached and the lace pre-plucked. So I'm not going to do anything to this wig except for, install it. And because this is a fake scalp wig, to be honest, you do not need a stocking cap underneath or, anything like that. But I just, do that anyways. But I'm not going to do an actual ball cap method. I just put the wig cap on her and slid the cap, the band of the cap backwards. And now I'm just going to go ahead and place the wig onto her head. And then I'm going to get ready to prep, by applying the foundation and everything before I actually begin to install it. And I'm going to use the color Cognac from the brand Kiss, and I'm using a cream foundation. And we're going to apply that on top of that stocking cap and on the inside of that lace as well. Before I actually started recording, I did go ahead and clean her hairline with the 99% alcohol. So after I did that, I went ahead and also applied her the skin protectant from my brand. And now I'm just going in with my mega bottle of my lace matte adhesive. And I'm going to apply 4 thin layers to her forehead and just like smooth that back into, her hairline. And for those who did miss the restock for my products, you can actually go right now and purchase it on my website. I just did a pop-up restock to celebrate my 1-year anniversary of me actually dropping my brand. And be sure to use the coupon codes Hustler and also the coupon code Beauty, and you will receive discounts on the mega bottle and on the medium-sized lace melt bottle. So after I am done applying all the layers and that glue turns completely clear, I did pull that lace right down into that glue, and now I'm going to blow dry on the heat setting and also apply some pressure with the comb and just comb that lace into that glue for a few minutes. And then I'm going to straighten up the part, just making sure it's nice and down the middle. And I will get ready to get the wig prepped to actually tie it down with the melt belt. Now, I always, in every video you will see me do this, to get a nice and sleek wig, after like a wig installation, I always use my wax stick to, sleek down the top of my installations. And I just always do this step because it makes a major difference. It also helps with you laying your wig, your wig to lay really nice and flat, which is another thing that will give you a better looking installation. And, it also depends on that braid down. So make sure you are not being lazy and doing a nice, flat braid down. That way your wig can lay as flat as possible, especially after you hot comb it and use the wax stick to get it pressed. But now this is a closure wig, so what I'm going to do is just sew the wig on the sides and around the back. That way it is secure and it does not come off so easily, and it feels more secure. And as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, this is a loose wave wig, and you guys see me take the wig fresh out of the net and just go ahead and install it. So once you comb the hair out, this is what the curls pretty much look like. But I do want to give off that roller set soft look effect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up curling the front part of this wig to give it like that roller set look, and I'm going to show you guys towards the end of this tutorial how the back look. I'm not going to curl the back at all because everything will just blend in perfectly. I just really wanted to style the front of this wig to really give it that that roller set soft look type of style. But however, I went ahead and removed that melt belt. As you can see, this lace melt is going to be phenomenal. This lace is just A1 quality, and just look how it melts already, and it blends so perfectly with the skin, and we're not even done tacking it down all the way. But I'm going in with my new item, which is the lace glider, and I'm just raising off that extra lace, and I'm going to go back in with that lace matte adhesive and just tack down those little corners underneath that lace that is still lifting, just to ensure that everything is melted and tacked down. And then I will go ahead and pull down the baby sections for my baby hairs, the baby hair section. Use the tresemme holding spray on the hairline for that superior ultimate melt. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the curling process, and I will be using my golden hot curler that I got from the local beauty supply store, and show you guys how I, get the curling. And as I mentioned before, I just took only like the front end sections on both sides, and I'm just curling that hair straight back. I did not apply anything like product to the hair, no holding spray or anything like that. I'm just taking a curler and just curling everything backwards. And this curler does go all the way up to 500 degrees. So I have it on the 500-degree temperature, and I'm just curling everything back and just, leaving it kind of tight until I'm ready to comb everything out. But I will go in after combing out the curls and adding just a little layer to the top to really give off that look. Now that I have everything curled up, I'm going to go ahead and remove that melt belt and just do the baby hairs first. That way, once I comb the curls into place and do the layering, the style will be complete. And I don't have to worry about moving any of the curls out of the way. But as you guys can see, her lace is super melted and super blended. And I bet you guys forgot that quick that this is a fake scalp wig. I didn't even conceal the part yet. And usually with the fake scalp wigs, you do not have to conceal the part, but I just do it anyway, just to make sure that the part is seamless from her real skin all the way up to the lace part. But I'm just going to do some basic baby hairs today, and I'm going in with the Got To Be gel and the edge brush and just getting that thing nice and swooped. So now that the baby hairs are in place, I'm just going to go ahead and take my wide tooth comb and just comb all of the hair to the back and bring it back forward. And I'm going to do this on both sides. But once I get the curls combed out to my liking, I'm going to go back in with that lace glider. And I'm going to razor the top layer to give it that layer look. I'm not going to razor layer the whole entire wig. I just like the front, the very top part to have that look, and that way when it falls, it's not like a bunch of chopped up hair or anything like that. So I just razor just the top just to give it that nice roller set type of look. As you can see, just that little piece of cut at the top makes a major difference in the outcome. So I'm just going to do that to both sides of the installation, and that's going to give off that nice little look. And I'm just taking a hot curler and just applying some volume to the top so it's not super duper flat, and it also aids with the final outcome look of the like the whole flip back roller set look. So now I'm going to go ahead and, just take some of that tresemme holding spray and apply it to the hair, and also just clean up the part with that black spray. As I mentioned, you do not have to conceal it because it's a fake scalp wig. As you can see, once I applied that black spray, it was good to go. Oh, and I actually did not use any concealer, I don't think. But if I did, yeah, y'all seen it. But this is what the back of the wig looks like. I did not add any curls to the back. All I did was just comb it out, and it gave off that beautiful look. But however, I hope you guys enjoyed this install video. Quick, simple, and easy. And thank you guys for tuning in. And don't forget to shop. See you later. Bye.